Hey, what's up everybody? I am Jason and you're watching my channel Micro Investor. So in this video we're going to be talking about a company that can convert pickup trucks and delivery vans into plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, and the name of this company is called XL Fleet, and they're going to be going public through a SPAC merger, a special purpose acquisition company called Pivotal Investments Corporation, ticker symbol PIC. Now, this company is very similar to the way Hyliion is, but a little bit different because they're doing smaller vehicles. So anyways, we got a lot to get to in this video. If you guys don't mind, please do me a huge favor and please be sure to smash, destroy, and annihilate that like button, because it does help me with the YouTube algorithm and it helps spread this video to more people that might find it interesting. And also subscribe if you have not already. Now let's get to this. So let's take a look at PIC stock. As you can see, just like any normal SPAC, it's around $10 a share before there's an announcement of them doing a merger with the company. So when it was announced that they were going to be merging with XL Fleet, as you can see, the stock did shoot up quite a bit. It went to above the $13. Their 52-week range was actually between $9.50 to $14 a share, and right now it's trading more towards the low point at this moment. But yeah, it shot up quite a bit here with the announcement, and then like how a lot of these SPACs have kind of been performing lately, as you can see, it did trickle back down pretty fast here, and now it's floating around where it was at about $10 a share. So XL Fleet, which will be trading under the ticker symbol XL, is an industry leader in fleet electrification solutions with proven proprietary technology and electrification systems and solutions that work across a wide range of vehicle classes and types. Pivotal Investment Corporation, trades under ticker symbol PIC, is a publicly listed special purpose acquisition company, also known as a SPAC. XL and Pivotal are combining to advance and accelerate the market growth of XL's electrified powertrain solutions and expand its product offerings. XL shareholders are rolling 100% of their equity. Transaction proceeds are being retained in the business. Pro forma for this transaction is including a $150 million PIPE investment, and assuming no redemptions from SPAC trusts, XL will have $350 million of cash to fund growth based on cash held in trust and PIPE proceeds, implied a $1.1 billion enterprise value, which represents an attractive entry multiples relative to peer group metrics. So as you can see, XL Fleet is much different than Hyliion. They're doing more work vehicles like box trucks, next mile delivery vehicles, pickup trucks, vans. It says XL Fleet, industry leader, positioned for long-term XEV growth. And they have a massive market of global total available market of $1 trillion, with 1 million vehicles sold annually in North America alone, experiencing dramatic demand for more sustainable solutions. The market leader, trusted by over 200 fleet customers with 3,000 plus systems deployed with 130 plus million customers driven miles. Proven technology, broad portfolio, proven cost-effective solutions for numerous vehicle classes segments with rapid product development capabilities. As we can see, they are pretty good universal here with their vehicles. Highly scalable, established production can scale to 100,000 plus units annually. Now that's good to know. And XLS capital efficient operating model is ready to scale and drive profitability. Another good thing. Future-proof, uniquely positioned to deliver on electrification as a service and turbocharge growth as market evolves. So right off the bat, we know that this SPAC is nothing like Nikola, that they actually have hundreds of customers. They actually have a product that's out there running with customers, money coming in. So they're way better than Nikola is right off the bat. So let's look at the type of electrification that they can do. They can do hybrid electric vehicles, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, battery electric vehicles, and fuel cell electric vehicles, which is very interesting that they can do full-on electric and fuel cell electric vehicles. So they do have a pretty interesting technology that they're able to do here. The vehicles that they're available are class 2 and 3, which is the standard pickup truck and minibus, etc. And the class 4 and 6, which would be the the last mile delivery vans and the school buses, box trucks, and then they're getting into Hyliion's territory with the class 7 and 8 vehicles, which will let them do the semi trucks, dump trucks, transit buses, tow trucks. So they got a lot of things in the works here, which makes this an even more interesting company. Knowing that they're doing this, they're competing with, of course, with the pickup trucks. They're competing with Tesla. They're competing with Hyliion. They're definitely, blow Nikola out of the water. Let's take a look at XL Fleet's customers. They have Puget Sound Energy, Washington State's largest utility, has added 100 hybrid vans and pickups. California Van Pool Authority, 154 hybrid GMC Savannah passenger vans. They have Coca-Cola on here, 280 service vans that were converted into hybrid. They have been driven 9 million service miles. They have PepsiCo on here. It doesn't say how many vehicles. They got some other ones on here. Seattle Fire Department gains 23% increase in miles. They upfit a Ford E450 ambulance. They have HVAC company on here. They have a news van that they converted, and it looks like a school bus for New York City school bus. So some pretty interesting stuff. And they also have many more customers on the website. I was just kind of skimming through it real quick. Now let's take a look at their financials. The revenue in 2019 was $7.2 million, and they're expecting revenue of $21 million in 2020. And they're expecting very large growth from here. Growth of 258% by 2021, growth of 273% 2022, growth of 130% 2023, and growth of 113% 2024. And they're also expecting to break over $1 billion in revenue in 2024. And that's when they're going to be into those semi trucks, garbage trucks, stuff like that. So we'll have to see how things go with that. Obviously, this is a company that reported revenue of $7.2 million in 2019, but they're expecting to be a profitable company by 2022. So to go from a profitable company in 2022 to a company that is putting up over $1 billion in revenue in just a couple years. And as far as what they're planning on doing with the money they're going to be getting from this merger, the proceeds for the transaction will be used to capitalize the balance sheet for development of new products, working capital, general corporate purpose, pay down on prepaid debt, and to pay transaction expenses. So the really cool selling point for XL Fleet is that companies can transition their already existing fleet into being a more clean and efficient vehicle without having to spend a bunch of money and going out and buying a completely new electric vehicle. It's like, say, for example, what Amazon's doing with their big order that they have with Rivian, where they ordered 100,000 delivery vans over a certain amount of years. And my understanding for the regular company that's trying to buy these vans from Rivian, they're about $70,000. I'm sure Amazon got a deal because they're an early investor into them. But anyways, XL Fleet is a great way for companies to save money. I believe it costs like $10,000 for their starting package to do something like this. So this is really good. There's a big market for something like this, and there's a growing market, especially with the laws that are put in place with California, with the stop of sale of gasoline-powered vehicles by 2035. So all in all, there's a lot about this company that I actually like, and I actually like it a lot more than Hyliion. But thing is, I'm invested in the Hyliion, but I'm not invested into XL Fleet. So more than likely, I'll probably be making an investment into PIC to get it in before the merger and just see how things go from there. Anyways, I'd like to hear everybody's opinions about XL Fleet, and is anybody invested into PIC looking to get a head start on this whole merger? Anyways, I'd like to know. As always, everybody, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you all in the next video coming very soon.